pledge allegiance to the CIA. I'll never question anything they say. That's the way it all went down. Burn the evidence you thought you found. Check your Fourth Amendment at the door. We can't afford these freedoms anymore. The enemy is everywhere. You can't be free when you're always scared. Vote for me and you can keep your guns, and they will keep you safe from everyone. Yeah, it's just like the good book says. Oh, it's just like the good book says. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I pledge allegiance to the NRA. I'll never let them take your guns away. I won't let those hippies say your biggest threat's your naivete. As for your unwanted pregnancy, your child born into abject poverty, yeah, it's just like the good book says. Oh, it's just like your good book says.